back again with our backtesting GU with our smart money concept strategy. Right, first and foremost is market structure. Understand the direction of the market. You can see here we had the break of structure, the downside, external structure. Then you had the pullback, then retracement. So we just have to wait. Yeah. And the continuation, break of structure to the downside. Then you get our fib tool to understand the premium zone and discount zone. So our first supply zone is this one. The last sell to buy candle with a fair value gap that led to this break of structure to the downside. Now it's just a waiting game and see. Then let's see at what time is this. New York. I have to know the time. Time is very, very important in this trading strategy. London session, New York session, sorry. New York closes, then we get our continuation to the downside. But this time is internal structure. With our supply zone. Then we had a continuation. We didn't get that tag that we wanted. I think this was the supply zone, but it was already mitigated, but it's okay. Sometimes you're going to miss out. Not because that you did the wrong thing, but just because the market didn't do what you expected to be done. Okay. Then we have our continuation, break of structure to the downside. And our supply zone, which is this one. Supply zone, break of structure to the downside, internal structure. It's just melting down, you see. We haven't got that tag that we want. We're always missing out. I don't know why, but it's okay. Let's take H1, yeah. It's okay. Then we have another break of structure to the downside. Always missing out. This was a clean entry, fair value gap. I didn't come back to supply. Then you have our supply zone, but just because it's a supply zone, this liquidity down here, it's very, 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 very hard to find the traders come back here, take out this liquidity and continue down. It's very, 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 very hard. So the most important thing, you just leave out the supply zone because it's not valid, right? It's invalid, right? You delete it and you just wait for the next opportunity. I think this is another break. Yeah, it's a break. No, it haven't break. Just have to wait. We haven't got this break. We need that break. Yeah. Yeah, we had it. And then the continuation. This is our supply zone. We don't need to complicate things. You see it? Had a tap, another tap, and another tap. What time is it? Let me check on the time to see what's really going on. Yeah, London session, swept. Okay, not bad. The time was this. Yeah, land. Yeah, that was entry. That was our entry. This was our entry. But not, the price action is not that clear, but still we can take that opportunity. Our stop loss just here. Our stop loss just here. 16 pips. Then we target here 2, 1, 2 to 5. Not bad, but you can make it 1 to 3. Risk to reward 1 to 3. Yeah, tap in. Yeah, what time is this? Then you put our break even just here. Break even. Then our break even was hit, and we got okay. Break even hit. Then you get a pullback, and you get a break of structure to the upside. Break of structure to the upside. Then London closes. Then you had our order block, which was here. But because of this liquidity, for me, it's not a valid order block. Then you had a continuation, you see. For me, it was not a valid order block. So, if you had another block here, and it's not switching in and out, demand zone, but still is not invalid, you can use it as a supply breaker block. Let's see. It was a clean one. Of course, it was a clean one. You can take it back and see. You can take it back. You get this tap. You see, you get this tap for the pullback to target this liquidity, I think. This liquidity up here. Yeah, that was an entry. And this very candle down here. Then we target the next. Had a clean tap in. Came down and took out that liquidity. You can see we took out this liquidity down here. This liquidity. Then you had a continuation. Right? Then you had a continuation and boom. That's a pullback. It's not a continuation. It's just a pullback. Yeah. Then we close it because it's already late. Yeah. Close that. And then you can see we have a break of structure to the upside, continuation. Still clean and very clean.